Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the words for today. Number 1 is a person. Correct. Number 2, is the dog big or? That's right. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob has 1 grandchild. Bob has 1 grandchild. Grandchild. A grandchild is your daughter's child or your son's child. Bob has 1 grandchild. Now change 1 to 2. 13 letters. Grandchildren. If we have 2 or more, we say grandchildren. Now we can make a flashcard for grandchild and remember it forever. We don't really pronounce the D. We just say grandchild. Please make a flashcard like this. Write grandchild up here and 2 grandchildren or 3 or 5. Down here, FAM1, this means family, level 1. Over here, the number 7 out of 19. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Gran. Child. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We can see a little duck. We can see a little duck. Little. We can see a little duck. This means the duck is not big. We can see a little duck. Now change it to yesterday. We could see a little duck yesterday. We can see a little duck now. Now change it to tomorrow. We will be able to see a little duck tomorrow. Now let's make a flashcard for little. Please make a flashcard like this. Write the basic form. Be little. Up there. L-I-T-T-L-E. Down here, A1. This means adjective, level 1. Over here, the number 49 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Lit. Tull. But when we speak quickly, it sounds like little. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned grandchild and 2 grandchildren. Correct. Is the dog big or little? And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, older and order. Yes, older just means more old. And order is in a restaurant. The waiter will take your order. Number 2, be major. Is that big or little? Big and important. Number 3, can you say it? Definitely. You can say, I'm definitely improving my English. Today is Saturday, October 11th. Show number 236. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.